If you want to maintain your privacy while using YouTube, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open YouTube. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. On the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. On the website, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. Find the option related to your online status or activity sharing. Toggle the setting to disable the visibility of your online status to others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes if prompted. This will ensure that your online status is hidden from other users. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on YouTube, allowing you to enjoy your viewing experience with more privacy.